Hey everyone, welcome back to another 2-Minute Tuesday episode of Bald Prairie Real Estate, where we talk about one topic in 2 minutes or less. Today we are talking about the mortgage stress test and how it impacts those looking to buy a house in Canada. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock right now and get into it. The stress test applies to anybody buying a house in Canada since 2016. It also applies to those that are refinancing if you're refinancing or moving your mortgage to a different institution. So this was put in place so that buyers had to prove that they could qualify at higher interest rates. They could pay higher interest rates when interest rates went up. At the time, we were expecting interest rates to continue to increase. So this was also put in place to slow down that real estate market in some of those hot places like Toronto, Vancouver, Montreal, just a little bit, and definitely had some impact there. So what it is you have to qualify when you're looking to apply to get a mortgage at an interest rate of 2 full interest rate points higher than what you're quoted. So if you're quoted, for example, 2.5%, you have to qualify on 4.5%, unless the mortgage stress test fixed rate, which floats around a little bit, is higher than that. So for example, the time recording this video, we're seeing a stress test rate of 4.79%. So even though HSBC is offering a 0.99% mortgage, it's not what you're going to be qualifying on. You have to qualify on paying 4.79% as your interest rate. This means that that stress test rate, which has almost always been higher than even 2 full interest points higher than quota rates, is what has more impact on buyers' ability to qualify for a mortgage in Canada than interest rates. Interest rates may come down, but if the stress test doesn't change, you're not automatically going to be qualified to buy a house if you weren't before, or not qualified to buy more. Because again, it's all based on that stress test rate, which does move up and down a little bit. But early in 2020, for example, it was 4.99%. Now it's 4.79%. It didn't change very much, even though interest rates dropped like 50%. So for home buyers in Canada, the mortgage stress test rate has more impact to your qualification than your quoted interest rate. Hey everyone, thanks for watching another 2-Minute Tuesday. You want to check another one of these out? Right here, another 2-Minute Tuesday video coming up just for you. What about the Canadian market? Where is it at right now? Well, my most recent Canadian real estate market update right there. You can check that out. As always, thanks for watching, guys.